it will collapse. We have water coming in through our walls.
We are in the midst of the danger of life-threatening storm surge.
This is Hurricane Ida, or what it's doing to Milton, Florida. Basically just a heavy rainmaker. It's very flooded. We're actually even under a tornado warning right now. But Louisiana, which is 3 hours west of here, I don't know what kind of state they're in. I hope that my friends are doing well that live there. And because I just saw lightning and I'm standing in water. Literally standing in water. I'm going to go inside. But my thoughts and prayers are with you guys in Louisiana. Take care and let us know you're okay.